Hi, my name is Kayla, and I'm part of your IT 105 class, and I'm going to answer some questions for you. And if I look down, I'm reading the questions off my phone. So, when were you first introduced to the internet? So, when I was about 8 years old, I have to say that's when my mom allowed me to get a Facebook because during those times you could play like Farmville and all like the Facebook games you could have played. And so I really like playing Farmville, and I used to play my mom's all the time. So she was like, just get your own Facebook. And I kind of took over my sister's used to be boyfriend Facebook that he didn't use, and I just kind of changed everything and like, well, they helped me like delete everything and like made it like me. Um, hello. So that was kind of the thing that I did. Um, My mom didn't really have like any restrictions for my online use. I was just able to do like my own thing when it comes to like those games. I wasn't able to do anything else. However, I was only allowed to do Facebook, and because I wasn't technically old enough to really do anything else. So I guess you could say that was restrictions. Not um so now currently I like to go on YouTube, watch Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, all that jazz. I like to do that kind of stuff online. Um, I also like to go on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, all that other stuff. That's just kind of like that's just what I like to do, I guess. Um, so I kind of already answered this other question, but um, my top favorite apps will be Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube. I like all of that stuff. So number two, what roles does social media now play in your life? Um, I have to say I'm kind of addicted to my phone. That's like that's a common thing in this generation. Um, I love my phone. I love going on my phone. And also I really love TikTok. And so if I'm by myself and I'm not doing homework or anything, I'll just watch TikTok. I can literally be in bed at like 9 p.m. watching some TikToks, and then when I look at the time, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. TikTok is very addicting. Um, but for the most part, I usually go and I like to I just really like my phone. Number three, is your online self different than your offline self? I have to say no. I feel like generally my online self is the same as my offline self. So I like to go on social media, but I don't really post a lot of things because I'm not like a open book. It can be if you ask the right questions. So that's kind of like how it is for online. If you ask questions or anything like that, I would answer them. But I'll have to say both my online persona and my offline persona are the same people. I don't try to make myself seem better than I am online than in reality because I don't like when people do that. They show your true self and then nobody's going to judge you. I mean, at least I'm not going to judge you. I can't really speak for everybody else, but I'm not going to judge you at least. Um, I tend to realize that I answer these questions ahead, but number four, do you have a particular social media site or app do you spend a lot of time on? So again, like TikTok, I can spend a lot of time on TikTok, and I spend a lot of time on Snapchat too, um, YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. I can be antisocial if I want to. My friends might disagree, but I think personally I can be very antisocial just because I have all these apps that I can just click on and be like, okay. Um okay, so now since I'm aware that I'm being tracked, what kind of impact will this make on my current online identity? I mean, I know I'm being tracked, and that's kind of scary to really think about that. I don't want to be tracked, but I'm what I'm doing is making sure that I be aware of what I'm doing and not going on any sketchy websites that could give me um a virus or anything like that. I just really want to make sure I am aware. So that's what I'm doing. Um so number 7, the last question. Um will this affect the way in which you share your online identity? Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna like put out like all my information. I know on my Instagram in my bio it says CW 2020 or not 2020, but 2022 or 2023. There's a lot of 20s. Wow. It says that, but it doesn't really go in more than that. Cause if you look at CWU, if you don't know about Central Washington University, then you're not going to automatically think, oh, that's Central, because there's other acronyms that has CWU in it. And then there's other colleges too. So I think I'm pretty okay for right now. There's really nothing that's like, oh, I exactly know or where she is or what she's doing based off like my bios or on my social media. Because again, I don't really post all that often. And I don't use hashtags or locations or anything like that just because I'm very cautious. And then on my Snapchat, I have it set to where my friends only. Um, and to go more in depth in that, on my Snapchat you can swipe down and then you can see like all your like where your friends are at. Like when you log into Snapchat, it updates your location. So for like that, I have it where I can select a few people or not a few people. I can select as many people as I want, but I have a certain amount of people who can see where I'm at. Cause some of that is for safety reasons. And two, I trust them enough to know where I'm at. And especially if I'm gone somewhere, they're gonna be the ones to check Snapchat. So again, I think I'm pretty safe. Um and yeah. But those are all the questions. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching, I guess, because this is the video. Um and yeah. Have a nice day.